I decided to join the course because I felt the need of guidance of someone with the knowledge uh, to clarify some issues that I had in my life that I couldn't put out in a clear way.
And what did you take from the course?
Well, I think one of the most important things that I took from this course is to know the language to how to express myself, to clarify to myself and also to others about my problems, and that would help me to solve and find a path. I
Okay.
took a lot from this course, and this was just one of it. Other aspects is the whole work with our inner self, the self empowerment. This was a really important and powerful tool to help me overcome a lot of troubles in a really short time, and this was really effective. Another point that I took from here is the work for the life purpose. I came in without knowing very well what was really the problem, and now I'm almost finishing the course, and I feel already that I took so much, that I have so much to work with for the following couple of months and years. So this gives me tools to work with myself without being dependent on someone.
And who would you recommend the course to?
Wow. I have so many friends and also family members that I would recommend to. Um, especially, so to be more generically speaking, I would recommend this for example, people that are doing research in PhD and postdocs that feel that somehow they are lost in their path. Uh, they, they, they have the sense of losing their passion or simply having been abused during their path. It's very important for them to clarify and to not lose their goals and their passions. I think actually what, as an adult, what is one of the most precious things that we have that would guide us, that I learned from here, is the child within us. This is a really powerful tool that we most of the time dismiss it. We try to not look at it, and actually we have a lot of hints of what is our purpose in this life, just looking at our childhood. And working with that is really, really important. So I would suggest everyone to try this, give it a try, and grow your inner child.